First of all, happy Lodi and happy Makar Sankranti to all. We are going to start today's function for valedictory in certificate course on telecom forensics and investigation. Shri Nizamul Haq ji, DG Telecom, Shri Yokesh Srivastava ji, DG NTI PRIT, senior officers of DOT, and my fellow colleagues. Very good morning to all, and welcome to today's valedictory ceremony of telecom forensics and investigation. With the permission of the chair, we would like to start today's program. In today's program, we have a short schedule from welcome address and course overview of Bhala sir, then course feedback sessions, then special address by Shri Yokesh Srivastava ji and valedictory address by Shri Nizamul Haq ji, DG Telecom, and vote of thanks by Shri Yashwant Kumar ji, Director Telecom Security NTI-PRIT. With this and with permission of the chair, I like to request Shri S.K. Bhallaji, DDG Telecom Security and PR, NTI-PRIT, to present the welcome address and overview of the course. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Vishal. Respected DG Telecom, Shri Nizamul Haq ji, respected DG NTI-PRIT, Shri Yokesh Srivastava ji, senior officers of DOT and LSAs, faculty from NTI-PRIT, and dear participants, very warm good morning to all, and welcome to the valedictory function of this first online certificate course on telecom forensics and investigations. My heartiest welcome to DG Telecom, Shri Nizamul Haq ji, who kindly accepted our request to chair this event, and I also express my gratitude to him for encouraging LSA officers to join this course in large number. I also extend my heartiest welcome to Shri Yokesh Srivastava ji, DG NTI-PRIT. Under his leadership, we continue to design and conduct quality courses on important subjects. I also welcome all the participants, other officers, and my colleagues from NTI-PRIT at this valedictory function. With the permission of chair, let me give a brief about this program. This course has been designed to help the DOT officers dealing with the electronic evidences, whether for compliance, penalty, or facilitating action by law enforcement agencies, to know about the best practices in the field of telecom forensics and investigations. The course was covered in two parts. The first part was pertaining to foundational topics like digital forensic basics, basics of investigation, acquisition and seizure, data recovery tools, anti-forensics, forensic report writing, etc. And the second part was towards application like mobile device forensics and what is the role of Department of Telecommunication, then CDR, data format and investigations, IPDR, cloud forensics, because in times to come, 5G, our all officers will have to be well prepared to deal with evidences which will get generated in cloud. Incident response, remote access server log analysis, VLR, HLR data format, OSINT, open source intelligence, and SOCMINT, that is social media intelligence. So these topics were designed and conducted with the help of experts from industry. So let me just tell you about the faculty. We tried our level best to arrange experts from industry top shots like KPMG, PricewaterhouseCoopers, PwC, DOT Headquarters, Ministry of Home Affairs, AWS, Forensic Guru, CDOT, NTI-PRIT, National Forensic Science University, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Central Forensic Science Laboratories, and also one NGO which is extending a lot of support to law enforcement agencies. So we tried to have a mix of industry, government agencies, including our own experts from NTI-PRIT. And besides conducting weekly exams, the group assignments were given pertaining to the actual work handled by the course participants. You can just have a look at this assignments. So one group has submitted a concept paper on setting up of a certified forensic lab in each LSA. So we'll be sharing this concept paper as well as other SOPs developed by this group participants to DOT headquarters as well as DGT sir for appropriate consideration. And I welcome our DG Telecom, DG NTI-PRIT, all others, and my division also looks forward to designing and conducting more such programs as per need of DOT officers. Over to Vishal.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving welcome address and giving a brief and crisp overview of this course. Now moving forward, let me go through shortly through the course feedback summary. In this course, the total participants that registered were 50, ranging we have officers from DGT rank, then director, ADG, ADT, AD, and JTO. So you can say from LSA, DOT headquarters, TEC, and WPC also. So all the levels of officers were available in this course. And out of 50, 46 officers continue till the end of this course, and uh, completed officers are 40. For one group, the assignment is pending. Hopefully, that would be completed shortly also. So, and we have also taken feedback from all the participants. Let me go through point by point. In terms of relevance of the course, participants have provided 9.22 out of 10. In context of course design and content for this course, the participants have provided 9.02 out of 10. The domain knowledge and expertise of the speakers. In this regard, the participants have provided 9.13 out of 10. The topics covered in the certification course meeting their expectations. Their participants have provided 9.05 out of 10. In weekly cues that were taken on the weekends after the weekly sessions, their relevance to the course, the participants have provided 9.21 out of 10. The effectiveness of the group tasks that were being assigned to the various officers in different groups, they have provided 9.01 out of 10. And overall rating for this course, this is being provided as 9.15 out of 10. So I can say it was quite a successful program, and participants have learned, and it was quite a good course for them. That's why they have provided such a good feedbacks for us. Now, with the permission of the chair, we would like to take a few live feedbacks from few officers. First of all, I would like to request Shri Anil Kumar Ranjan sir, DDG Security JNK LSA, to give their feedback. Ranjan sir, kindly turn on your mic, please.
Thanks, Vishal.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, DG Telecom sir, DG NTI Pirati sir, Balla sir, and other colleagues and friends. This course of NTI PRIT on the subject telecom forensic and investigation, it was very compact and effective. All the subject topics were covered properly, and so many topics were new for us, like cloud forensic, network forensic, and digital forensic basic courses. So I think our friends from field and myself, we will take this opportunity to learn and expand our knowledge, and look forward for new courses like similar or new advanced technologies from NTI PRIT. Thanks and congrats to NTI team for conducting such course. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for providing such a kind feedback. Now I request Shri Atul Kumar Karelia ji, Director Andaman Nicobar LSA, to give their kind feedback, sir.
Respected Shri Nizam Ulak sir, DG Telecom sir. Respected Shri UK Srivastava sir, DG NTI PRIT. Respected Balla sir, DDG Security. And respected senior officers and all my colleagues. First of all, sir, we would like to place our sincere thanks for so much dedicated efforts by the NTI PRIT team for conducting various sessions on the very relevant topics, which is not only helping us to enrich our understanding and knowledge about the latest technology and latest trend in our sector, but also it is helping us to revive a sense of some kind of participation in the process. In this course, if you see specially the SOPs, some 8 or 9 topics were taken up, which is a very good move in direction to improvise the procedures and the practices which are happening in the LSs. So that aspect, it is basically helping us to have a kind of more motivational participation in the process and then perform better in the field, which is the need of the hour. Various topics were covered, sir, and this course has really helped us to understanding the basics of the digital forensics, its investigation, associated laws, and nitty-gritties of the various aspects of the different telecom systems. The various experts from the MHA, Delhi Police, MIT, CDOT, from DOT, NTI, they have taken the lectures very nicely, and we all got benefited from the entire course. Earlier, we had a course in the month of May, and that was about telecom network security, and now about this digital forensics. So, if you put together, these two topics have helped us to really elevate our understanding level of understanding, so that we can perform better in the field. One suggestion after this course I felt is that there is a need to have a platform, IT platform. We can have a data center, a data center where the different data required, different data and reports can be pulled from the TSP systems. And we need to have a portal for the LSA working also. We can call it as we need to move it from our present way of working to a next level, next generation working in the LSAs by having a portal based operations and office dealings in the LSA. So if a responsibility is given and if the opportunity is given, sir, we would like to contribute and prepare a document on this, how we should go for a centralized data center which help us to handle so many things which are happening in the LSA from a high level data center platform. That's the need of the hour, because in this course we understood that so many things, our security wing or maybe other wings, they are pulling the data from the TSPs in the very crude manner through email or through various CDs and DVDs and all those things. But now we are living in an era of a technology where all these things can happen on the fly. So we can have a very unified platform, IT platform for LSA working, and we would like to come forward for preparing a approach document if given an opportunity for the same, sir. We thank once again, sir, our DG Telecom, sir, our DG NTI, Bhalla sir and his entire team, Yashwant sir, Vishal. They are really outstanding, and they were very professional in managing the entire this one. And I thank for giving me an opportunity to speak and also participate in this course, sir. Really, we are indebted to all of you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, Atul sir, for giving good remarks and valuable suggestions for the future course of actions. Now I request Shri Ajit Sharma, ADT Rajasthan LSA, to give his feedback. Over to you, Ajit.
A very good morning to all. First of all, wishing you all a very happy Lohri and Makar Sankranti. I convey my sincere thanks to whole NTI team for conducting such a good course on network forensic. At present, we are having only performance for security audit, ILL inspections, EMR testing. After this course, we all got benefited in terms of different angle, that is network forensic, and it will be really beneficial for us. And I especially thanks Sri Yashwant Kumar, Director TS, and Sri Visaldhi ADG Security for coordinating this course in such a manner that the quiz designed by them are very good for us, and they were really nice throughout the course. Thank you.
Thank you, Ajit, for your valuable feedbacks. Moving forward, now I request Shri UK Srivastava, DG NTI PRIT, who have always encouraged and guided us to arrange such a valuable certificate courses, to give their special address, sir. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Vishal. Shri Nijamul Haq ji, DG Telecom, Mr. Bhalla, Yashwant, participants of this certification course, other officers of LSAs, DOT, NTI PRIT, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. First of all, I wish you all happy Makar Sankranti, Pongal, Bihu. There are so many festivals falling on these days, just 1 or 2 days here and there. So congratulations and best wishes for these festivals. I am really thankful to my friend Nizamul Haq Saab for participating in the closure program of this very first online certificate course on telecom forensic and investigation. Before I start, I would like to also congratulate him for the successful conduction of meeting yesterday of all the officers, and Honorable Minister was available to address all the officers apart from Junior Minister and Secretary. So that event was extremely good. Congratulations to all the officers who were also involved in managing that show. In this very first telecom forensic and investigation course, I have just seen that 40 participants have successfully completed, and there are very good suggestions also emanating from the task that was given to individual groups. So I'm sure that Mr. Bhalla will put up those. He will compile, put up, so that we can forward it to DG Telecom for further, decision making on the subject. The department is giving lot of importance on telecom security. Secretary has agreed for opening of a couple of labs in the country. NCCS has been given so much of task to, complete testing and opening labs and things like that, writing down the specifications and so on. This forensic is a very important topic, but we have to get really involved in this very much, and we are training our ADs also for 1 week. I think 1 week we are training them in forensic lab in Ahmedabad. So we are also attaching a lot of importance to this. And our new secretary has very well understood the role of DOT in the arena of security. I attended one of the meetings and he was very clear, because there has been some dispute over whose turf the security is, and MIT tries to say that because of cyber security, everything related with security belongs to them, and that's not the issue. Some department of the government of India has to do a particular business, but the thing was that the real task associated with telecom security was being ignored in the process. Thankfully, this secretary has understood this very well, and he was giving instruction very clearly that tell everyone that issues related with telecom security belong to Department of Telecom, and that's all. Topic is not open for further discussion. All the remaining issues related to cyber security, etc., whosoever does it, it is their own business. Once this clarity has come, we have to, get involved and make sure that we come good and perform the way it is desired to ensure that telecom security is very well established. As for your information, you must be knowing, but I would like to inform you once again that NTI PRIT, along with the DOT, has got the competency development program approved, and there are a number of verticals in that program. The very first vertical that we have selected is on telecom and mobile security, and already a batch of 30 has to be identified. The memo has been issued for seeking nominations from officers of different levels, and 21st is January is the last date. In fact, I think enough nominations had not come, therefore the date had to be extended. So I request all you to seriously consider taking this course and getting specialization in the field of telecom security. The current program, which we are concluding today. I am sure that it was easy paced for you because it was only 3 days a week. So I'm sure that you would have all benefited from it. I must thank Mr. Bhalla, Yashwant, Vishal. All of them have done wonderful job, which is reflected also in the comments that we have received. The verbal comment that the participants have given, and apart from that, the written comments that have come and it was being shown. Any rating above 9 is outstanding, and the course has really received very good appreciation. So once again, congratulations to these officers who have been involved in designing and running this course, especially inviting a lot of field experts, those who are very difficult to catch many times, but I'm very happy that these 3 officers of NTI PRIT were able to catch them and bring them to deliver talks here. So once again, I thank Mr. Nizamul Haq for agreeing to join this event, and I thank all of you for your active participation in the program. Continue your association with NTI PRIT. Do let us know what are the topics on which you would like our trainings to be designed so that it benefits you and suits all your requirements. So with this, I close my statement. Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing your remarks with us. We are extremely thankful to you. Now I request Shri Nizamul Haq ji, DG Telecom, who is actively encouraging LSA officers to learn and apply the best practices for better performing the task assigned to the LSA. Sir, I request you to give your valedictory address to the audience present here and also release the digital certificates for the successful participants. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Vishal ji. My friend Sri Yukesh Shrivastava ji, DG NTI PRIT, and friends, very good morning to all. I am extremely delighted to note that NTI PRIT first online certification course on telecom forensics and investigations has been successfully conducted, and over 40 officers from various field units of DOT cleared the tough continual assessment process to earn the coveted certificate. I am happy to note that systemic efforts to maintain quality of learning from this course has been attempted by engaging faculty from MHA, multinational consultancy firms, academia, OEMs, and conducting an exam every week, besides requiring the participants to submit an assignment on a topic which pertained to their actual office work. Field officers would spare time from their busy schedule to attend sessions and complete exams and assignments. It speaks volume about their sincerity, dedication, and urge to learn. The feedback summary proves that participants have liked this course and have benefited a lot from this course. I personally congratulate all these officers and appreciate the role of NTI PRIT in designing and conducting this course under the visionary leadership of Shri Yukesh Shrivastava ji. While telecom enforcement function is being handled by DOT officers for a quite long time, I find that unique thing about this online certificate course is to prepare the officers to carry out such work following the forensic best practices. With increasing cyber crimes and misuse of telecom resources, the handling of evidence establishing such misuse becomes very crucial. These are many examples where court rejected the credibility of evidence for not following the principles of chain of study. I believe that with ever-growing use of digital platforms and launch of 5G network, the role of DOT will significantly increase in ensuring safe and secure telecom network. Forensics and investigations also requires insights about various tools, testers, and processes, and I urge NTI PRIT to set up state-of-the-art labs also for hands-on training to DOT officers. I am very pleased to note that many SOPs have been drafted by the participants, including a concept note on setting up of certified forensic lab in each LSA. I look forward to getting these papers examined in my office for adoption as appropriate. I am happy to note that NTI-PRIT is continuously striving to take up the task of capacity building of DOT officers in holistic manner covering all important domains. The regular webinars conducted with support of national and international experts also add immense value to the knowledge base of the participants. In the end, I would like to appreciate the work of NTI-PRIT under the leadership of Shri UK Srivastava ji. The programs are not just focusing on problem statements and areas of concern, but also of international quality. I expect NTI-PRIT to explore the best national and international certificates available in ICT security and get its faculty certified so that even better programs are developed for LSA officers. I am sure that initiatives taken by NTI-PRIT will go a long way in strengthening and securing the telecom infrastructure of the country. With this, I once again congratulate the officers who have successfully completed this course and also acknowledge the contribution of Shri UK Srivastava ji, DG NTI-PRIT, for steering and leading his team to achieve new milestones with each passing day. I also extend my best wishes and greetings on the festival of Uttarayan, Lohri, Makar Sankranti, Pongal and Bihu. Thank you all. Good day.
Thanks a lot, sir. I also again request you to kindly release the digital certificates for the successful candidates. So you just have to announce the release of certificates and I will unveil this curtain.
Okay, we will release the digital certificates.
Thank you, sir. So congratulations to all the successful candidates. The certificates have been issued and you will be getting these certificates in your DigiLocker. I will be sharing the link and the process with you all. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Shri Nizamul Haq ji, for taking out time from your busy schedule for this course and sharing his valuable remarks with us. And hopefully, we will excel in this field and do better for our LSA and field officers. Thanks a lot, sir. Now I request Shri Yashwant Kumar ji, Director PS NTI-PRIT, to propose vote of thanks.
Respected Shri Nizamul Haq sir, DG Telecom, and respected Shri UK Srivastava sir, DG NTI-PRIT, Shri SK Bhalla sir, DDG Telecom Security NTI-PRIT, and senior officers of NTI-PRIT and all the participants of this certification course. I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to Shri Nizamul Haq sir, DG Telecom, for sparing time from his busy schedule for evaluation of this course and giving his blessings and inspiring word to us. I also extend a very hearty thanks to Shri UK Srivastava sir, DG NTI-PRIT, for encouraging us and guiding us to conduct such type of courses which are very beneficial for officers of the DOT. I thanks to Shri SK Bhalla sir for his support and guidance all the time. I also thanks to Vishal for his hard work and making this certification course successful. Thanks to all officers of NTI-PRIT for their kind support. I also want thanks to controlling officers of all the participants for their support and sparing officers to participate in this course. I want thanks to all the speakers of this course for excellent presentation and sharing their knowledge. And finally, I want thanks to all the participants of this course for sparing their time and participating in this certification course and making this course very successful. Now, with the permission of chair, now we can close this course. Now we can log out. Thanks again to all. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Sir. Thanks a lot. Sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.